pre-game partying. We're all dressed in our jerseys. Got some music going. Ava's got the dancing moves. Hi. Well, that's because that's where her shopping cart goes.
No. But the blanket is hitting my puzzle.
Okay, we'll talk about it. And Levi does such a good job at his puzzle. What puzzle do you do, buddy?
I do concentrate. The letters, what? Letters and I do that one.
The number, the counting 1 to 20, yeah. And you're very good at the puzzles. Go Vikings!